What is going on, everybody? Welcome back. MTG here with another episode. If you're new to the channel, hi there. Today, I want to introduce a new series that I started last year and it kind of picked up some momentum. It's pretty much why you should buy this in blank year. So, reasons why you should buy this phone in 2021. For this video, as the title says, I'm going to dive into 3 reasons why you should buy the Pixel 4a in 2021. By the way, I'd really appreciate if you can smash that subscribe button, give the video a thumbs up, and turn on the bell notifications, as it does help out the YouTube algorithm a lot and will push my content out to more people, and so we can get to our next goal of 10,000 subscribers. Anyway, let's dive right in. As the title says, 3 reasons why you should pick up the Pixel 4a, and the first one is software. And nobody can argue about this with Pixel devices. They are Google's way of showcasing what they envision their operating system to look like. For the Pixel 4a, you are guaranteed 3 years of software updates. And when you first picked up the Pixel 4a, if you did back in August, it came with Android 10. Now it has Android 11. So you'll be getting Android 12 and 13 on the Pixel 4a. Now everyone pretty much knows Google's software. No bloatware, no add-ons, nothing. During my use, the 4a has been buttery smooth. The Snapdragon 730G, which is now an outdated chip, pretty much, it's not a 2021 chip, paired with the efficiency of Android 11 has been very good in my experience. It really doesn't make me want to go back to like a Snapdragon 865 or a new Snapdragon 888 chip of 2021. Battery life with Android 11 on the 4a is also super good. Google has really focused on battery optimization on Android 11 with the 4a, and it's clear as day. I'm getting pretty good battery life. Like, it's going to last the entire day. Plus, the 730G chipset consumes less, which means better battery life. Okay. So number 2, it's definitely camera. Okay, camera. That one camera lens. All right, done. All right, let's move on to number 3. All right, okay. I'm just joking. So Google devices, they're known for their amazing performance in the camera department, and the Pixel 4a is no different. The results you get from this phone makes you wonder how photos are so good, and they come from a $349 device. You know why? It's because Google has nailed computational photography, and they prove that one camera lens is capable of performing very well. Night sight on the Pixel 4a is also a huge plus. It is dope. Every company is trying to add a night mode on their devices. But for me, like in my opinion, night sight on the 4a still shines as the king of night modes. So for $350, you absolutely cannot go wrong with image quality on the Pixel 4a. You can look for devices that are twice as much, but they still won't offer half the quality of that of the Pixel 4a. So camera is definitely a reason to consider the Pixel 4a. And not just because everyone else is hyping the camera, it's really good. Like, you really have to try it out. And the third one, this one is also a given, but that is price. Okay, $350, price. Done. That's it. It's a super good price for what you're getting. Pixel 4a has shaken up the mid-range segment, especially with its pricing. $349 or $350, however you want to say. $349 for 128 gigs of storage and 6 gigs of RAM. Good job, Google. Seriously, good job. For what you're getting, the price, especially in my opinion, is perfect. I'm not looking for anything more. This is exactly what I want for this price tag. Now, this specific size is only available in one configuration, but in 2 colors, black and barely blue, which recently came out. Within its product launch in 2020, I think that you're going to get the best bang for your buck with the Pixel 4a. Now, Pixel 4a doesn't really take away what's important for the user. There are devices, like I said, that are twice this price that don't even offer half of the features. With deals and discounts, you may be able to find the Pixel 4a at even a lower price. And that about wraps up this video, and I hope you guys did enjoy. Look, even in 2021, the Pixel 4a is an amazing phone. All right, I'm not really like, I'm not on the bandwagon and going along with what people say. I've used it and I love it. Seriously, I love it. I definitely recommend it, especially in 2021. Now the Pixel 5a seems to be on the horizon, but that shouldn't be a reason to brush aside the Pixel 4a. When the Pixel 4a came out, the 3a was still a good value and that dropped more in price. So in 2020, that was a good reason to buy the Pixel 3a. And in 2021, when the Pixel 5a comes out, definitely don't put aside the 4a. For what it's worth, Google seems to have found something in the mid-range segment. I'm very pleased with the Pixel 4a, and for anybody who is looking for a phone in 2021 that is compact, with a powerful camera, clean software, and a budget-friendly price, then the Pixel 4a is a stellar choice. Anyway, everybody, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, be sure to Superman that like button, comment down below, because with the more interactions we get on this video, not only helps the video and the channel, but also pushes the video out to more viewers. And best of all, Superman that subscribe button. Until next time, everybody, and until next video, this is MTG.